Hello, my name is Marion with Marion Jewels in Fiber. So now I'm ready to make the cord for this charm. So I'm going to make a 18-inch cord, but you can make a 16 or 20 inches or 21 inches. So I just kind of mark that corner right here, and I'm going to go ahead and cut that cord with a thread burner, because that way it will seal my ends. And then you can take those clasps and just pry them open so you can actually insert the cord into them. And so you just apply a droplet of glue right into there, and then you bring in that cord, you insert it in the clasp, and then with pliers you squeeze that clasp shut. And you have to hold it for just a little bit while the glue is drying. And now I'm ready for the other side. So again, a droplet of glue, and then we bring in the clasp and then squeeze that shut and hold it with pliers, and then let it dry for a bit. So now the bead charm is ready to wear. As you can see, those bead charms can be made in many different ways and with many different colors. And they were designed to go with the bracelet trio. And the bracelet trio is a series of square knot bracelets that I designed with beads and rings or halos. And you can visit my website for more information about these. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.